Francisco. I'm Sanaya.
I'm Kamura. And I'm Shaquana.
We Lamani. And we are Creative Sisters.
Alright, we're back with another video. This one is DunkAroos. DunkAroos cereal versus the DunkAroos snacks. Okay, we back. More sit down. As you can see, Kamora's shirt is wet. That's because Fat pranked her through water in her face.
Oh, I did not prank her.
You squeezed the water bottle and it got all over her.
I didn't mean to.
I know. She's sorry. More sit your butt down. See? Stop it. Okay, anyway, so like I said, these DunkAroos came out years ago. I don't know what year, but I know I grew up eating. Momo, I'm talking.
I'm not.
What you said to her?
I said,
oh, she fell off the chair, right?
Before you fall off the chair like you
Oh,
did.
why are you tasting it before everybody else?
Like you did with Granny's skin. She said that was Mrs. T.
All right, Kamora.
Oh, no, that was Pinky that scared the what out of
Can y'all please do this video? This not gonna be a long video. We they just. All right, Kamora. All right, yes. Go ahead. Taste it. Just taste it. They bussin'? They bussin'.
Karen, when we make cupcake with frosting, maybe it'll go with it and it will taste really good.
It tastes like
Okay, it tastes like cupcake?
Nana, when we make a cupcake and maybe we
I ain't crazy about it.
Nana.
Nah, it tastes alright though.
It's colorful, I like it.
Yeah, we gotta see the colors in this.
When we make cupcakes,
Can't really see. It's so nice and you see the color. It's colorful. I like that. Y'all see the box? It looks just like that. All right, Kamora, get your butt over here. All right, so y'all like the cereal?
Yeah.
No.
I said bussin'. Huh.
You like the cereal?
Yeah, no.
All right, open up the DunkAroo. Let's see if it tastes like it.
That tastes like it. It's sprinkled, DunkAroo.
I never tasted.
It tastes alright. You never had a DunkAroo before? Yes, you did.
I did? I
Yeah.
don't remember. I don't remember at all.
Ooh,
It's just crackers
it's frosting.
and frosting. So they just gotta dip the cracker inside the frosting. That's what it's a DunkAroo.
Look, I put it in the bag.
Like it? What about you?
What's the name of it? Granny's cookies? The blue bag?
It tastes good.
The graham crackers? The one with the teddy bear? Teddy grams? What's
This frosting tastes good.
it tastes good?
Yeah, the frosting tastes good. Mama, you should try it.
She dipping the cereal inside.
Mama, you should taste that frosting. It's good. Yummy, just go like
Kamora, will you
that.
sit down? It's not, that chair is not for you to stand. Mama don't listen for crap. It tastes good, Nana? Oh, snap.
Wow. And this Ooh, Mommy, look.
Okay, Mama.
Here, mommy.
Dip it.
Mama, you don't need to be doing all that. I don't want to. All right, so y'all like it?
Yeah.
So do it taste the same?
It do. Look. The cereal,
All right, so-
it tastes so good together. Oh, we were dipping it like that.
All right, so what y'all gonna do is we just wanted to give you another short video. We wanted to give you another short video, so go ahead, y'all, in this video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the